Hello everyone, I am Chris, and the learning management system that I decided to use was Seesaw. Seesaw is a student-driven digital portfolio, and I really enjoyed playing around and figuring out all the cool stuff it can do. As I said, Seesaw is student-driven, which I think is really great. The students can post onto the classroom wall, and they can comment on each other's works, they can work with each other. In one of the videos describing Seesaw, a 5th grader said it was like a Facebook page for the classroom, which I think is a really great way to kind of keep the students engaged with the schoolwork and with one another. It can be used as an online classroom where teachers can post tests or quizzes or assignments. They can send out announcements, and a thing that I thought was really cool is they can track students' skills and the growth on those skills, so they can kind of see how students are coming along. Another really cool thing is the engagement with parents. You can send out a link so the parents can stay in touch with the classroom. They can see what's going on in the class. You can send them announcements, and they can also see what their student is up to in school. They can look at what assignments they've turned in and where they are. Seesaw also has the ability to connect with other teachers. So I connected to the Augsburg College Seesaw classroom, and you can kind of see what other teachers are using Seesaw, and then you can connect with those teachers. There's also a blog, which I think is a great way to kind of connect with the web. And I think in doing so, it creates digital citizens. So Seesaw is a safe environment, which is good. It's a good starting point for being online. It's a good way to teach etiquette, especially if you're commenting on other people's works. It's a nice way to incorporate some of that technology learning in the classroom. It can also be integrated into the classroom itself using iPads or computers. So in this video, they were practicing their handwriting on their iPad, and they would pull up on the smartboard so they could practice handwriting. It is also a great way to stay connected with the classroom and with your students and the parents. There's an app on your phone, so you can always stay connected, and I think especially for students who are maybe having a difficult time with their homework, they may not be able to talk to you directly, but they can go on the Seesaw app and check to see if there's anything that can help them. Some things to consider. I think it's definitely for younger students. It may not work as well at high school or middle school level. And it can be difficult with less computer access, so not every school is going to have an iPad for each student, and some students may not even have a computer at home, so it might be tricky to require students to be on Seesaw if they don't have that access. Overall, I thought Seesaw was great. It was really a fun platform, and it's really easy for students to post and to receive assignments and tests and quizzes and all that stuff. Thanks.